Hi everybody! It's been a while. Today is easy and quick cooking recipe using green pepper. The ingredients are minced meat. You can use any kind of minced meat, but today I'm using pork and beef mixed minced meat. Breadcrumbs, a pinch of salt, potato starch, flour, an egg, sake, milk, finely chopped onion, and nutmeg. And one more ingredient, shiitake mushrooms. Usually, I cut it right after I bought it and put it into the freezer, which makes it more tasty and better aromatic. Add sake into the minced meat. Knead it until it becomes thicker. Add salt, finely chopped onion, flour, and you mix milk and breadcrumbs and put it into the meat mix and knead everything really well until it gets really thick. Then finely chopped shiitake mushrooms, nutmeg, and beaten egg. Knead it again. You control the softness with the beaten egg. When it becomes sticky enough, it's ready. Now, if you don't like the bitterness of green pepper, you grill it, put it into the water, take off the skin. But I like it, so I use it as it is. Sprinkle potato starch onto the green peppers. And fill the meat mix into it. Heat the pan with the oil and lay out green pepper meat. Put the meat side on the bottom and cook it with a lid for about 5 to 7 minutes with medium heat. And turn it over. Put the lid on. Cook it another 5 to 7 minutes. It's done when the meat doesn't stuck on the stick. Enjoy with teriyaki sauce. If you are interested in how to make teriyaki sauce, please click the button right above. I think any kind of minced meat are really reasonable and very easy to get. So if you can just knead it and put it into the green pepper, cook it, and that's it. You're gonna get really yummy stuff, and it won't take so much time. And the other thing, because I added raw onion into minced meat, so if you don't like the extra smell of onion, just cook it a little longer with the lid on. Then you can enjoy really sweet onion with the juicy minced meat and green pepper together. いただきます。おいしい。I really hope you're gonna try this out, and I hope you're gonna enjoy more of this teriyaki sauce as well. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye.